Alright, now let's shift to day 3, where things got even more interesting. The show floor was packed, and some of the best products were hiding in corners most people walked right past. Let's start with IKEA because I never thought I'd be excited about a furniture company at CES, but here we are. They announced 21 Matter-compatible smart home devices at prices that will make you do a double take. $6 smart bulbs, $8 smart plugs, $6 smart remotes, a $15 decorative globe bulb that actually looks good. Smart home technology has always been expensive, but IKEA just made it accessible to everyone. All of these devices work with any Matter hub, not just IKEA's own system. This is a game changer for mainstream smart home adoption. The TV wars continued to escalate. Samsung unveiled their brightest OLED panels yet, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible with the technology. But the real story was the range of sizes coming to Micro RGB TVs. After showing that monstrous 130-inch model, Samsung confirmed that 55, 65, 75, 85, 100, and 115-inch Micro RGB models are all coming this year. LG countered with their own Micro RGB announcement, showing 75, 86, and 100-inch models. They also debuted the Gallery TV, their answer to Samsung's Frame TV for people who want their display to look like art when it's not in use. Now let me tell you about a product that genuinely surprised me. Subtle's Voicebuds won the Best AI Hardware Award, and for good reason. These earbuds have an AI model specifically trained to transcribe your voice in extremely noisy environments, or when you're speaking below a whisper. The team demonstrated them on the chaotic CES show floor, and they managed to accurately transcribe sentences amid absolute chaos. For content creators, journalists, or anyone who needs reliable transcription on the go, these could be revolutionary. ASUS brought the ROG Zephyrus Duo back, and this time it makes more sense. Dual-screen gaming laptops have always been a tough sell. But for streamers who need a second display for chat and alerts, or gamers who want to play 2 games simultaneously in tent mode, this finally feels like a compelling use case. Will it be expensive? Absolutely, but it's one of the coolest laptops of the show. Robot vacuums continued their evolution toward full home autonomy. Roborock's Saros Rover can literally climb stairs using an AI-powered wheel-leg system while keeping its body perfectly level. It cleans each step as it goes. The dream of a robot vacuum that handles your entire multi-story home is finally becoming real. Dreame showed the Cyber 10 Ultra with a mechanical arm that can pick up objects weighing up to 500 grams. Your robot vacuum might soon be picking up your socks before it cleans. Samsung showcased their bespoke AI appliances, including a laundry combo with AI-powered wash cycles and an air dresser with auto-wrinkle care that might finally make ironing obsolete. Their bespoke AI vacuum and mop can even keep an eye on your pets when you're not home. Smart home is evolving from convenience to genuine lifestyle improvement. L'Oreal brought their signature beauty tech innovation with an LED eye mask that uses red light and near-infrared light to address puffiness, discoloration, and fine lines. They're also working on a more flexible LED face mask expected next year. Beauty tech continues to merge with health tech in fascinating ways. For gamers, 8-Bit Do unveiled the FlipPad, a controller that turns your iPhone or Android into a pseudo GameBoy with physical controls that flip up from underneath the phone. If you grew up in the Game Boy era and missed that form factor, this is pure nostalgia with modern convenience. It's launching this summer. Lenovo officially announced the Legion Go 2, and here's the big news. It runs SteamOS, not Windows. This is a huge deal because it means Valve's gaming-optimized operating system is finally spreading beyond the Steam Deck. The Legion Go 2 features an 8.8-inch OLED display, detachable controllers, and launches in June at $1,199. One of the most entertaining demonstrations came from Agibot with their A2 and X2 humanoid robots. These machines can walk around, wave to attendees, and dance with surprising confidence. They can even learn dance routines from TikTok videos. Agibot is positioning the A2 for hospitality roles in museums and conferences, while the X2 is aimed at education. They're planning US availability this year. The Smart Bird Feeder got an upgrade. Bird Buddy 2 costs $199 and ships in February, with a mini version at $129 coming this summer. For birdwatchers who want AI-powered species identification and beautiful close-up captures, these are the products to watch. Boeing surprised everyone by debuting autonomous airport robots designed to help with what they call the perfect turn. That tightly timed process of fueling, cleaning, handling cargo, and getting passengers on and off after a plane lands. The goal is fewer delays without compromising safety. And these robots can keep working in extreme weather when conditions are too dangerous for human crews. So what's the takeaway from days 2 and 3 of CES 2026? The theme is clear. AI is being embedded into absolutely everything. Laptops are getting smarter, homes are getting smarter, even your vacuum cleaner is getting smarter. But the most exciting developments aren't just about adding AI for the sake of it. They're about solving real problems. Fusion energy that could provide limitless clean power. Robot vacuums that actually clean your entire home. Smart home devices that don't require a second mortgage. The companies that impressed me most were the ones with practical products at reasonable prices. IKEA's $6 smart bulbs. SwitchBot's affordable home robot. Dell's admission that they made a mistake and their commitment to fixing it. That's the kind of innovation that actually changes people's lives. If you're enjoying this CES coverage, make sure you subscribe to AI Perspective and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment and let me know which announcement from day 2 or day 3 excited you the most. Was it the rollable laptop, the stair-climbing vacuum, or maybe those IKEA smart bulbs that cost less than a coffee? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.